If your iPhone home screen looks messy, here's how to organize it your way. First, move apps on iPhone home screen. Unlock your iPhone. Find the app you want to move. Long press the app icon once the apps start jiggling. Now you can drag the app anywhere on the same page. Move it to another spot. Place it in a different row or column. To move the app to another page, drag the app to the left or right edge of the screen. Wait for the next page to appear. Drop it wherever you want. At the top, press the Done button. 2. Move widgets on iPhone home screen. Long press the widget you want to move. Once everything starts jiggling, drag the widget to your preferred position. Move it up, down, or sideways. Drag it to another page by sliding it to the screen edge. Release your finger to place it. Bonus tip: you can group apps into folders. Drag one app over another. A folder will automatically be created. Repeat the same to add all the similar apps into a folder. Now you can fully customize your iPhone home screen the way you like. And that's it.